Right, so another domain and range example, this one's a little bit different. You can see we have our function looks like this. Our last video had 5 individual points, so if it's not individual points, how do we represent our domain and range? So you still want to remember that domain is your x values. So let's focus on the x values first. This function right here, our graph goes from here all the way over to here. So what are those x values? This is 4 to the left, so that's at a -4, and it goes all the way to a +4. So what we say for our domain is we say it's all the x values, and then we're going to put this little colon right there. That colon means such that. So what this means is you have all of your x's, or the domain is all of the x's, such that -4 is less than or equal to your x, the domain, which is less than or equal to a +4. So we're saying that all of the x's are between -4 and -4. That's what that and inequality represents right there. And it includes the -4 and the +4, which is why we have the or equal to with our inequalities. All right, let's check out the y values. So the y values, the lowest that our graph gets is right here at a -3. The highest that our graph gets is right here, which is at a 0. Now I'm just thinking the y values, 0 and -3. So our range are all the y's such that, but let's be specific, -3 is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 0. So if you have individual points like the last video, your domain will be, separate numbers. If it's a continuous graph of some kind like this, then your domain and range is going to show up with an inequality.